In the world of Turkish dramas, on-screen chemistry often turns into real-life curiosity, and sometimes something even deeper. Recently, fans have been buzzing after Ilsuti Mercy and Emin were spotted spending time together. Not on a set, not at an event, but on what looked like a quiet private date. No cameras, no official announcement, just the two of them keeping things low key. Now, this is where things get interesting because when two actors known for their natural chemistry choose to meet away from the spotlight, it raises one simple question. Is this just friendship or is something real starting to grow? Fans who have followed Ilsu know that she is someone who values privacy. She does not easily share personal moments online, so if she is out, relaxed and comfortable with someone like Imin, that says a lot without saying anything at all. And Imin, he has always come across as calm, composed and selective about his circle. He's not the type to create unnecessary rumors, which makes this situation even more intriguing. Now here's my opinion. I don't think this is just a random meetup. There's a certain comfort you can see when two people genuinely enjoy each other's company. It's not about posing for photos or being seen. It's about choosing to spend time together when no one is watching. And that's exactly what makes this feel real. But at the same time, we have to be fair. Not every connection turns into a relationship. Sometimes a strong relationship can look like love from the outside. And in an industry like this, even the smallest moment can turn into a big headline. So maybe this is the beginning of something. Or maybe it's just two people enjoying a peaceful moment away from the chaos. Either way, one thing is certain. The story of Tilsidi Mercy and Emin is slowly unfolding and fans are watching every detail. So what do you think? Is this the start of a real love story or just a beautiful relationship? Let me know in the comments.